बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 17 इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फैक्स मशीन और ये आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। एंड द क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ फैक्स मशीन, एक्सप्लेन इट्स वर्किंग। The answer starts from telefacsimiles or fax machine to that was sent. Second name of fax machine is telefacsimiles. ये आपसे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, ये आपसे MCQ में पूछा जा सकता है। Telefacsimiles or fax machines are must for many business around the world. A fax machine basically scan a page to convert its text and graphic into electronic signals and transmit into another fax machine through the telephone line. Next one is the advantage of fax machine. The receiving machine converts the signal and used a printer to create copy of message that was sent. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one topic is cell phone. The question is, what do you know about the cell phone and the cell phone network system? The answer starts from radio technology is applied in mobile phone to radio waves into send. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Radio technology is applied in mobile phone. It is type of radio having two-way communications. A cell phone carries a radio transmitter and a receiver inside it. It sends and receives the message in the form of radio waves. Next one पैराग्राफ में हमारे पास एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन मौजूद है जो कि पेपर में आपको इस तरह आ सकता है। Write the name of the parts of the cell phone network system. The answer starts from cell phone network system consists of cells, base station that stands for BSS and the mobile switching sector that stands as MSC. Next one short question is, what is base station? The answer starts from a base station is a wireless communication station set up at a particular geographical location. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one short question is, what do you know about cell? The answer starts from the geographical area covered by a single base station is known as a cell. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one short question is, what is cluster? The group of cells form a cluster. Next one short question is, what do you know about mobile switching center and write its mechanism? The answer starts from all BSS within the cluster are connected to MSC using landline to changes the radio waves into sound. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज फोटोफोन। ये भी क्वेश्चन आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, व्हाट आर फोटोफोन्स, हाउ दे आर मोर यूजफुल दैन द ऑर्डिनरी फोन्स। द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम मॉडर्न वर्जन ऑफ द फोटोफोन और वीडियो फोन। द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ कॉमन टेलीफोन्स यूजर्स कैन सी द पिक्चर्स ऑफ ईच अदर टू अपीयरेंस ऑफ ईच अदर। यहाँ तक कंप्लीट आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज 17.6 ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ लाइट सिग्नल्स थ्रू ऑप्टिकल फाइबर। ये टॉपिक आपसे लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। क्वेश्चन आपको लॉन्ग में इस तरह पूछा जा सकता है, हाउ लाइट सिग्नल्स आर सेंट थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स, ड्रा अ डायग्राम टू शो इट्स मैकेनिज्म। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे, wave of visible light have a much higher frequency to computer networks together. Waves of visible light have a much higher frequency than that radio waves. This means rate of sending information with the light beam is larger than that with the radio waves or microwaves. An optical fiber has been used as transmission channel for this purpose. An optical fiber with a coating of low refractive index is a thin strand of high quality glass that absorbs very little light. Short question is, what is optical fiber? The answer starts from, an optical fiber cable is a bundle of glass fibers with thickness of a human ear. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next question is, write mechanism of transmission of light signals through the optical fiber. The answer starts from, light that enters the core at one end to the and so on. Light that enters the core at one end of the optical fiber goes straight and hits the inner wall, that is called cladding, of fiber optics. If the angle of incidence with cladding is less than the critical angle, some of the light will escape the fiber optics and is lost. However, if the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, light is totally reflected into the fiber optics. Then, totally reflected beam of light travels in a straight line until it hits the inner wall again, and so on. Next one is the advantage of optical fiber. The advantage of optical fiber is that it can be used for sending very high data rates over long distances. This feature of fiber optics distinguishes it from wires. When electrical signals are transmitted through wire, the signal loss increases with the increasing data rate. This decreases the range of the signals. यहाँ तक आप इसके एडवांटेज लिखेंगे. और अगर पूछा जाए तो आप इसकी ये डायग्राम भी ड्रा करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन पैराग्राफ इज फॉर मल्टी मोड केबल्स. ये क्वेश्चन आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर मल्टी मोड केबल्स? Give their uses. Each optical answer starts from, each optical fiber in a multi-mode cables is about 10 times thicker than the optical fiber used in a single mode cable. This means light beam can travel through the core by following different paths, hence the name multiple mode. Multiple mode cables can send information only over relatively short distances and are used to link computer network together. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज द साइड ब्लॉक, जो कि आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ मोबाइल फोन? इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे, अ मोबाइल फोन सेंड्स टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस एंड टेक्स्ट एंड transmits images. यहाँ तक. Next question is, which technology is used in video phones? The answer starts from, the new 3G technology will make video phones commonplace. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one is the side block. First one short question is, which type of technologies are used in a modern telecommunication system? The answer starts from, microwave, digital and optical fiber technologies are combined to give us today's telecommunication systems. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is, why microwaves give very strong signal? The answer starts from, microwaves travel in a straight line through the space and give a very strong signal. We can connect to the other side of the world in milliseconds. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one short question is, what is the function of Intelsat and the Sectum? The answer starts from, Communication satellites include Intelsat and Satcom are geostationary satellites that stay over the same position above the Earth's surface and receive the transmit digital signals across the world. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one side block is for MCQ. Cell phone transmissions are made with microwave. Next one short question about the side block is, in which form most of the data is transmitted across the world? The answer starts from, most of the data transmitted across the internet is also carried by light, a network of optical fiber cable across the country carrying data from one computer to another. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट इन अवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.